Hey, it's Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. You ever wonder how to connect with someone if you're looking at their LinkedIn profile and it says follow? Let me walk you through the steps right now on how you can send an invitation to connect with those people. Yes, in fact, you can connect with them probably 99.9% of the time. And let me walk you through how to do this now. Now, right now I'm on a profile of Dr. Janelle Ellis Holloway. I don't know her. She was in my homepage feed at the time I was looking for somebody with the follow button. I clicked on her profile, and let's say I want to connect with Dr. Janelle, and I see here that I don't see a connect button. I see follow, save in Sales Navigator because I'm a Sales Navigator member, and I see the more button, and that's it. And LinkedIn looks like it wants me to click on follow because that's the blue button. That's the prominent one, right? Let me show you the workaround. Most people, this will allow you to do the workaround here. We're going to click on the more button. Now, underneath the more button, you're going to see a variety of different options, one of which will either say connect or it might say personalized invite. Now, if you see personalized invite, choose that one every time, but connect will still allow us to get to that step as well. We're going to click on connect here. And now look at this. It says your invitation is almost on the way. You can add a note to personalize it or just click on send. And it looks again like LinkedIn really wants us to click that blue send button. I encourage you to always click on add a note. And that way we can add some personalization in here. And this is key. I know we're here talking about follow versus connect, but I always recommend you include a personal note and just something to this effect. Hi, Janelle. We haven't met, but I see we share over 27 common connections. Let's connect on LinkedIn. Brenda Meller. I'm typing this out freehand. I'm not using automation, so give me just a second. Let's connect on LinkedIn, Brenda Meller. And that is it. And then we can click off on send. So yes, in fact, you can connect with people, even if you see the follow button and you can't find the connect button. You got to dig a little bit. On the desktop, you've got to go to the more button. Now, if you're on your mobile device on the LinkedIn app, you've got to click on, it might be 3 dots. It might say more, but it might just be 3 dots. And underneath that, you always want to choose the option that says personalized invite if that's available. If not, choose the connect. And then be sure to follow those steps to adding a personalized note with your invitations. So that's it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you do, I'd love it if you could give it a like and a comment below. Maybe share it with someone in your network. And if you're watching this on YouTube, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on that bell so you get notified of future videos in the future. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.